All right, guys, just going to show you a couple highlights from the chat room today. CLDX, this is what it looked like going into today. Had this on watch. It looked really good over 16. Friday had kind of a quiet, narrow day, and so had it on watch. And I'll add today's candle in, and you can see got a nice little pop, broke above that 16 area. But on an intraday basis, which is more important for day traders, here's how we played it. All right, here's what it looked like. Let me circle the opening 10 minutes. Those are 5-minute candles. So there's the opening 5-minute candle, then the next candle. I was going to call this on a break of the second candle, but I just went ahead and told everybody, had nice volume, by the way, at the open. Went ahead and told the chat room that, let's just make this break the high of the day. And went ahead and called it long at 1560 with a stop basically below this red line here. But look what happens. There's the trigger, 5, 10, about 10 minutes, 15 minutes later, it's at 16. So it's at that breakout point on the daily. And at that point, I would even say when it was in the 1580s, I said I'm moving my stop to break even. So really, my stop was only down here for about 10 minutes, and then I had free shares. That's what I like to call it, free shares of CLDX, because we're in from 1560. And then you get to 16, you see the volume coming in, and you actually did get a nice breakout through there. All right, so watch it trade, and I'll show you where I said to take profits. See that right there? When you start to get that upside shape, you see my videos, I talk about it a lot. Said to take profits right in here. You don't have to take it all, but definitely this is a great place to take some because, for one, we've had a nice move, right? Our entry was down here, and two, if you if you connect the bottoms of the candles here, you can see what we call shape change. See it? And you got increasing volume. Most traders never learn to take profits into shape change, all right? Sell into strength, in other words. And let me get the lines out of the way here. That was basically the high of the day. It did come down and then went up and touched 17. So we could have had a few more pennies, right? Big deal. Selling into strength. And if you didn't, you held on and it came all the way back down. Not all the way back down, but I mean it came down significantly from where I said to sell. So it's always remember that. If you have something that's moving well and then you get what we call upside shape change, always sell some, all right? Let's see what else. Stevie B, one of our moderators in chat, you saw FDO and Dollar General cranking today. Well, then FDO started to bleed down, and Stevie B just called it long. Let me zoom in a little bit for you here. Try that again. He called it long just over this little doji candle right here, and which means 68.64 with a 68.41 stop. So pretty tight stop, and a nice move over the next 20 minutes from 68.64 went to 69.47. That doesn't seem like much, but that's not a bad little day trade.